So this is how the default configuration looks like. It says default machine at the top of the page, and you can just change the title on all of the pages by entering your new title here. I'm now going to set this to ViraListMachine demo page. Okay. The ViraListMachine supports themes, so you can change the whole style, the whole design, the colors, the fonts, the images, whatever you like. Oh, there's a typo, sorry. Of the system, and if you want to do this, I suggest you copy the default theme, which is located in the system themes directory, and just adapt it to whatever you like to have it. You could also have a designer or a CSS guru to create the theme for you, so there's no problem. You could actually create your own themes and sell them for the ViraListMachine. There's no problem with me with that, you know. So you could just do that. Currently there's only one theme, the default theme, available. So there's the copyright notice, which is displayed on the bottom left-hand side of the page. It now says example.com incorporated. I'm now going to change this to Tricos Media. Oh, there we go. You could also disable the display of the copyright notice if you wish. Now you have to choose the language of the page, which is really only for search engines, because it adds a small attribute to the website that says it's in English or it's in German or whatever. You see there are not many languages at all. I didn't spend so much time on that one. Even if your language is not in there, it's not a problem most of the time. But I'm going to extend the languages in this box in maybe the next version. So if you're done, just click on Save Changes, and it tells you the changes have been applied, and you can see the changes have been applied, the title has been changed, and the copyright has now been changed as well. So now let's go to the autoresponder section. The ViraListMachine supports, in theory, many different autoresponders. I'm planning to make available some additional plugins. Currently, the ViraListMachine only supports None and the Aweber autoresponder. I'll explain more about the Aweber autoresponder in a later video. So now let's assume you're not using an autoresponder. This means that all of your users are just stored in your local database, and most of the time you won't be able to access them directly unless you're a techie or you know someone who's a techie who can access the database and export the users from there. So this is only meant for people like me who have their own mailing list software developed that access the database directly. So I'm not using an autoresponder service at all. So you're probably using an autoresponder, but the default installation doesn't require an autoresponder. So I'm just going to continue with the description of the administration area. So on the users page you can see all of the users. Currently it's only you. You can see the total number of users, active, pending, deleted users, and you can also show specific users by type, like only active, only deleted users, and so on. On the content page you can, as the name already suggests, change the content of all the pages. So as you see, there is this nice design. I hope you like it. I don't like it. It's just the default text. So I'm going to change it for the ViraListMachine demo page. So every block for any specific page on your site has both a title you can set and the HTML code, which includes this WYSIWYG HTML editor you can use. So there's the home page and the thank you page and confirmation page and so on. Now let's just change the title of the home page and set it to Viral List Machine Demo. So I don't like this image, and I like to change the text to Welcome to the Demo, because I like red text. I'm going to change the text to red by clicking on the font color button. I like to add the ViraListMachine logo, so I just click on Insert Modify Image, which pops up a beautiful dialog which allows you to insert any image which is contained in the Assets directory just under your document root, or in any directory below it. So you can choose a directory different than this one, but you can add all of your images just below the Assets directory. So I'm going to use the ViraListMachine logo, and just by the click of a button it's been inserted into the page. I'm going to center it just like the text, and this text as well. I'm going to change the text to "This is just a demo page, allowing very hard word, you to get really nothing at all by signing up." Hey, it's the truth. There's nothing on the demo page. So now I'd like to add a link, so that you know how you can add a link to anything on the page. So I just add the link to example.com on the demo word. So this allows me to add the link. And I'd like to have the link open in a new window. Click on OK, and you're done. Now I'd like to add a Twitter button. So I open up the image dialog. I'm going to use this Twitter button. Maybe you've already seen them on my blog. I've actually created all of them myself. So there we go. Now I'd like to have that, which really should make sense, to the Twitter account. So I'm going to have a link to twitter.com/virallistmachine. And you'll notice there is no E at the end, because Twitter account names may only have up to 15 characters, and ViraListMachine with an E at the end would have a length of 16 characters. So as you see, the button just got a blue border, which is because there is a link on the image. So I'd like to remove the border. I just right click on the image and select Image Properties, the context menu. Then I just have to insert a 0 in the border field. And there we go. I think this page is, we can leave it that way. So the next page also has a title. Let's set this to "Thank you for signing up for nothing at all." So this is actually the page that the user sees right after he has